Wait a second, sweetie, okay? Hold on, you gotta wait for Will. Wait, what's today?
After Christmas.
It's after Christmas?
Christmas morning.
Aunt Pam just went downstairs to get the camera and I missed you getting up.
I thought you said Lynn and him get getting up.
Can we pretend?
Yeah. Go downstairs. I didn't get the camera too.
Did you look out the window? Did you see what happened overnight? Go look in Baby Will's window. Can you see out that window? Is it a white Christmas? Look at all that snow. All right. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
You'd wake up in the middle of the night, Luce, and go,
Mommy,
it's time.
Mommy, can do it downstairs.
Do what?
Morning down these steps. Get on the front ones.
Oh.
Yes.
See if Aunt Pam doesn't fall first.
Hey, wait a second.
Can't see. Am I getting you? Whoa. Whoa.
There's Aunt Pam walking slow.
I know Aunt Pam is walking slow. What?
What happened? I think somebody brought you something. You been
Morning,
good girl?
babes. What's going on? Merry Christmas. Santa bring anything for you? Go check it out. Anything under there?
Oh, baby Willie.
Oh!
Holy smokes.
Look at all those presents!
Do you think Santa remembered any other little girls and boys?
I need this so I can look at my stocking.
Careful with it.
Do you need help?
Did we see those somewhere?
Do you need me to take it off?
These are corn, Misty.
What the? Holy smokes.
Look at that dinosaur.
Well, that's
I
cute.
even got Dora.
You did. Merry Christmas, baby Will.
What'd you get?
Good morning, Aunt Pam.
Good morning. Aunt Pam was going to comb her hair and try not to have one Christmas where I looked really rough.